Navika, first of all, I'm surprised that you are saying that there have been no cogent answers on the liquor policy, because for the last 2 months, not just the people of Delhi, but the entire national media has been debating Delhi's liquor policy. It's been talked about endlessly. For 14 hours, CBI went to Mr. Sisodia's house, questioned him, grilled him on the day of Janmashtami. Today they went and opened his bank locker. And what did they find after all of this? Nothing. We are still saying that please ask as many questions, let the law take its course. We are in public life, we are open to questioning. But just because Mr. Anna Hazare has said this, BJP has now decided that CBI और ED की रेड में कुछ भी ना मिले हमें चलेगा, लेकिन और एक राउंड ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स इस पे कर लेते हैं. And it's okay, in public life people can have differing views and opinion, but that doesn't mean that BJP so conveniently rejects the fact that it's been 10 days when raids have been ordered in the house of Mr. Manish Sisodia. Not one thing has come out of these raids. And what has come out? In the last 2-3 days, we have found damning evidence of a 1400 crore scam which the LG of Delhi authored when he was the chairman of the Khadi Vikas Gram Udyog. Mind you, there are witness statements, signed witness statements saying that just in one branch 22 lakhs of old notes were replaced by new notes illegally during demonetization. Has any witness statement come against any minister of Aam Aadmi Party or any persons involved in Aam Aadmi Party in the liquor policy? No. So we know that this is nothing. BJP के जो पाप का घड़ा है वो भर चुका है. There is no end to this lying and lying and lying. We are saying कि if we are open to scrutiny by CBI, why is BJP scared of ordering a CBI and ED investigation on the LG of Delhi? Why shouldn't the LG of Delhi be arrested for all the misdeeds he has done in the past and where there is open evidence? And forget that, Navika, there is Operation Lotus that was attempted in Delhi. It is right now going on in Jharkhand where all the MLAs are being sent out to resorts all over the country. So totally, if more than 300 MLAs have switched over to BJP in the last 7 years, we've estimated this is nothing but a 6,300 crore of pot that BJP is spending on the MLAs across the country. And let me today declare that by showing this kind of a biased analysis, Times Now has revealed that it stands for absolutely shoddy and without journalism and without any research. And I'll tell you why. Allow me to say this, because you are very well aware, Navika, that there are two kinds of excise policy regimes. One where you collect the entire tax in advance, and second where you collect the tax after the sale of the bottle. What you are doing is a completely biased analysis. You are comparing the old policy regime where entire money was collected after the sale of the bottle versus the new regime where 10x nahi 150x revenue got collected in advance as license fees. So an average liquor vend which earlier was being doled out by the earlier governments for as little as 8 lakh rupees per vend went up to an average of 8 crore, in many cases even 25 crore per vend was the bidding amount. And that is the reason that in the new excise policy you can try and confuse your viewers कि पैसा पहले इतना मिलता था अब इतना मिलता है. Net earlier Delhi government used to get 6,000 crores out of excise policy. Under the new regime it was supposed to get 9,500 crores. तो 1000 बॉटल की सेल पे अगर दिल्ली सरकार को पहले 1000 रुपए मिलते थे तो 1500 रुपए मिलने वाले थे. And I am just absolutely shocked and amazed with this kind of a biased analysis that you are doing. And you talked about the fact that Delhi government wanted to bring down the age of liquor consumption to 21 years, but you never bothered to mention that all the BJP states without exception have their the age of consumption as 21 years. Some places like Goa have it even as 18 years. So very conveniently, it seems, Navika, in this show today, and I'm very sorry to say this, I respect your journalism, but you are doing nothing but furthering BJP's propaganda, which is giving very one-sided view without giving your viewers the exact numbers or exact facts and figures of how Delhi policy regime compares with BJP states. BJP believes that by repeating a lie 1,000 times, somehow it gains an aura of truth. Each and every allegation that they have been making on the excise policy is nothing but a lie and a damn lie. Regardless, we have said, abhi to aapne CBI investigation kar li hai. Do you not have faith on your own agencies? Let them probe this matter. This cannot be a media trial, but we are open to scrutiny. But what about the big scam and the big corrupt man in the name of Vinay Saxena that you imposed for the first time as the LG of Delhi, somebody who holds serious corruption charges? where there are witness statements that 22 lakhs की धांधली हुई है उनके नाम से. The cashiers have named that the chairman of the Khadi Gram Udyog has asked us to exchange these notes of 22 lakh in one branch, and therefore in 7,000 branches this has to the tune of 1400 crore. Can we talk about that? Every time you cannot post lies and lies and lies and keep evading the truth. If you have a shred of humility, if you have a shred of honesty, then you will respond on national air today. Navika, we are the first to say that let an CBI and an ED inquiry be ordered on Operation Lotus that toppled the Maharashtra government, MP government, Karnataka government, Assam government, all the governments including the Delhi government. We will present the evidence to the authorities. Not 2 times now. This will not be a media trial. This is a very serious affair. It goes to the top bosses of the BJP. If they have nothing to hide, हर्ष क्या है? आप हमेशा कहते हैं ना ऑपोजिशन पार्टीज को कि कुछ छुपाने के लिए नहीं है तो इंक्वायरी हो जाने दो. हमारा यही सवाल है. एलजी आपका चोर है, 1400 करोड़ का स्कैम करके बैठा है, सीबीआई इंक्वायरी हो जाने दो. At the end of the day, you should people, and I encourage people to read the FIR filed by CBI, because all these words being dished out, willful profits, windfall profits, not a iota of a statement in the FIR talks about that. What does the FIR say? कि scam हुआ है क्योंकि एक लिकर कंपनी ने दूसरी लिकर कंपनी को 1 करोड़ रुपया दिया. That is the sum and substance of the FIR. Everything else is BJP propaganda, and I again request all the journalists that please stand by the truth. I am sure BJP is putting a lot of pressure on everyone to twist the narrative,